Hi students, today I'm going to show you how to do the activity, The Most Amazing Structure on Earth. So go to your classwork and you will find it. Scroll down until you get to week. You're going to find it right here. Oh, we're gonna just get rid of this. And it says scroll down and click on the most amazing structure on Earth. Read and listen to the story. Look up meanings of words that you don't know and write them in your notebook. Do the 2 exercises that go with the story. When you are finished, send me a message that says I scored what out of 10 on the first exercise and what out of 10 on the second one. Wait. Stop. Hi students. Today I'd like to show you how to do the reading assignment, The Most Amazing Structure on Earth. So you are going to go to the classwork tab, or you can find it in the stream. I like to use the classwork and just scroll down to week 3, and I will see it right here at the very top, reading The Most Amazing Structure on Earth. First, we should read the instructions. Scroll down. Oops, let's move this over a little bit. Scroll down and click on The Most Amazing Structure on Earth. Read and listen to the story. Look up meanings of words that you don't know and write them in your notebook. Do the 2 exercises that go with the story. When you are finished, mark as done. And in the private comments, send me a message that says I scored what out of 9 on the reading comprehension exercise and what out of 10 on the vocabulary exercise. So here I am going to click on the level 410 reading topics, and we'll move this over. It takes us to the University of Alberta, or of Victoria website, English Language Center. So you need to scroll down. Oh, this says, I'm just going to close this. Okay, and I can see the reading stories. I can scroll down more. And now we're going to go to the brain stories, and here we find The Most Amazing Structure on Earth. I click on it, and if I click on it again, I get the story, and then after it, I have the reading comprehension and the vocabulary. So let's click on the story. Oops. And why is it not going? Let me try this again. Okay, so just click on the reading comprehension. Okay, so I guess the story is attached to the exercise. So it says here, again, the most amazing structure on Earth, main idea and comprehension questions. Read the story and answer the questions. So you can read it and listen to it as many times as you want. See, if I click this, I should hear it. Okay. And over on this side are the questions. Okay. So as you go through, you can see it's quite long. So you take your time, and some words you can figure out from where they are in the sentence. Other words you might want to look up. So I'm going to just show you the quick way for looking up some words that you don't know. Here is a word here that says, it says spinal cord. What is that? So I'm going to go Control C, and then I'm going to click on a new tab, and I'm going to write define space, and then I go Control V, spinal cord. Press enter. Okay, and it's going to tell me right here what it is. Okay, so it's the cylindrical bundle of nerves that run from parts of the body to the brain. And you can even translate if you still don't know. So you can translate it. I could translate it into French, and it's going to tell me what the word is in French. Okay, so now I've got that tab open, and I want to go back to find my story. Oh, it's right here. Oh, wait. Okay. So now I've lost it. Let's see. Now here I am. Okay. So here is the story. I can read through it. And of course, I looked up that word. So what am I going to do? I'm going to write it in my vocabulary section of my notebook. I go down, I read it, listen to it many times. Then I can do the questions. Now there is a lot of questions all at once. There is 9 questions. You can choose to show one at a time. Okay, that might be easier for you. So you answer the first one and then you go to the next one. Okay, and when you're done with that, so let me just see here. If I answer the first one, the top of the cerebral cortex, and I'm going to have to go over and read it. Oops, over here. I will look down until I can find it in the story. So I'm just looking. See, I haven't actually read the story right now. So it's hard for me to answer the questions. So you guys should, the lesson here is read the story, then find the word, top of cerebral cortex. What does it process? You need to find the word. I need some help here. Okay, I see the word down here, cerebral cortex. And it says, it is the part of the brain that makes us intelligent. And it consists of 4 parts. It is where much of our thinking and feeling happens. The top lobe processes information which is coming from parts of our bodies, such as our skin and muscles. Okay, so I see. So it processes things that people touch, processes sounds that people hear, processes images. And when we scroll down, we can be reminded it is where the top lobe processes information which is coming from parts of our body, such as our skin and muscles. Okay, so the answer here is going to be processes things that people touch. So it tells me that my score is 100% and that the questions completed is 1 out of 9. So then I go okay. And I can go on to the next question. So when I'm done, I write down my score. I can go to the next exercise, which is down here. Whoops. There we go. And you can read the story again. Oh, actually, the story is not here. But now you can practice the vocabulary from the reading. Choose the best word to complete the sentence. So number 1, love and hate are 2 opposite what? Nerves, emotions, structures, or emotional? What's the answer? Oh, right. Love and hate are 2 opposite emotions. So I bet if you didn't know the answer, you could go back and read the story, or you could also Google it. So when you could also show one at a time by going like this. And when you are done, when you're finished all 10, then you are going to go back to the classroom. So I am going to go back to the classroom, and here is the assignment. I'm going to view the assignment, and over here, the last step was to say, mark it as done. Okay, I don't need to attach anything. I'm marking it as done, and I want to give a private comment. Hi, Julie. I scored, maybe you scored 6 out of 10 on the first exercise, and maybe on the second one you scored 7, and 7 out of 10 on the vocabulary. So that is how we do the most amazing structure on earth and how you submit your score.